Welcome to Glue Factory Off-Road, and we are here today to show you how to change out the blades on a Ryobi 480E electric lawnmower. In order to safely remove the lawnmower blade from your mowing deck, you need a lawnmower blade removal tool that you can buy from Lowe's, Home Depot. You can also buy them from Amazon and other small retailers or your local hardware store. It looks like this. When you attach it to the deck, your lawnmower blade fits in here. It screws down like that, and your blade will not be able to move out of this little box. Therefore, it allows you to safely remove the lawnmower blade. You don't have to get it super tight, but just tight enough that whenever you use your ratchet to undo the blade, it will not freely move. We are using a 15mm socket. The blade simply comes off just like that. Before you put your lawnmower blade back on the lawnmower deck, you need to make sure and put on a good coating of wheel bearing grease. We at Glue Factory Off-Road, we prefer to use Lucas brand oil products because we've had good luck with it before, and it's also what we run in a 98 Kawasaki KX250 two-stroke. You don't have to put a whole lot of grease on there, but just enough to coat it real good, coat the threads a little bit, and this will allow the lawnmower blade to freely move as it needs to be, and also makes it a heck of a lot easier when you're taking the blade off. Now there's only one way that the blade will go on, and the parts as well. It's pretty self-explanatory. After a few attempts, you'll be able to get it. It's easy. You don't have to over tighten the blade, just a good tightening, and you'll be fine. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click like and share. Feel free to leave a comment, or if there's anything else on this particular brand lawnmower that you'd like to see done, please let us know and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for watching Glue Factory Off-Road.